Here they come.
The time is finally here.
That's how.
Are you supposed to be up there?
Yeah, we bought these containers, right?
Houston, we have a problem. It's a small problem. That's our engineer.
Our shipping containers, soon to be she sheds, have arrived.
It can be my head shop.
A machine shop with an attached pump house.
He said,
No, she shed.
I said,
No, she shed, and it's no men is allowed.
yeah, I said.
They're she sheds. She sheds?
Okay, whatever you want to call them, they have multiple uses, they are off the grid, and we got a matching set. Each shipping container is 45 feet long and 8 feet wide, a total of 360 square feet. So why shipping containers? Well, first, steel is one of the greenest building materials you can find, especially since it's constantly recycled. They're also extremely durable, built to withstand harsh conditions and extreme weather.
Seriously? I was just testing it.
For what?
Durability. Got a thumbs up.
Okay, first things first, we have to look inside.
Come on, Quita, you can do it. Oh no, it can't be that hard.
Well, that is after we get the doors open.
Okay. Well, maybe.
We learn later there actually is a process to opening the container doors.
Are you? Open the door. Just.
You'll start with the right door. Rotate and lift the latches above the handles to a vertical position. Then you want to pull both handles up and out to work at the same time to release the door. Then just pull it open.
You had a hard time now.
I did, but I got it.
Next, we had to decide to paint or not to paint.
The painting process itself doesn't take very long. It would take probably 10, 15 minutes, 20 tops to cover the whole thing.
So it's quick and it's a good investment. So painting the shipping containers will drastically slow down the spread of rust, plus it'll make it last longer. We chose Bonfire Flame and Gray Wolf.
Watch how good. I got this.
She got it. Okay, I'm gonna
Don't take too long, Marcus. Keep working.
zoom in.
Get closer to the building as you get higher. There you go.
Okay, she got it.
I got a quick lesson in painting and gave it a try.
All right.
But I think I got a good coat there.
Yeah, you did. You did. It's not, I mean, there's nothing showing through. It's a decent coat. Now over here, if you notice, it looks splotchy.
That's the one you did.
No, that's because it's drying.
Marcus.
Once the containers had a nice coat,
Here she goes.
it was time to drop them to their new temporary home, New Salem Missionary Baptist Church in South Phoenix. The plan to start modifying the she sheds here, then ship them to their permanent home on our family land in Texas. Even though Container World AZ guaranteed both containers would be air and watertight, we know water, it's like our chickens. If there's a way in, they will find it. Since we're in the desert, rain is rare. So to ensure our containers had no leaks, we used a water hose.
Oh, there. Yeah, we got a leak.
Another one?
We got a leak in the second.
Our first attempt to mark the leak was unsuccessful to say the least.
So we're gonna mark the roof, but guess who's not tall enough to do it?
Not much better on my second
Yeah.
try.
So
We contacted Container World AZ and they said they'd fix the leaks right away. A few weeks later, this was their answer. Just regular caulk to withstand Texas rains. Didn't seem like the right solution, especially since the caulk didn't even cover the actual leaks. So we reached back out to the owner of Container World AZ, Jonathan. He said he'd make it right. Well, that was more than 4 months ago. Here, he said send me a picture. I can send it to my gal and they'll send us the stuff to fix it overnight. And then you can see this was May 22nd. So another lesson learned. We should have made sure the containers had no leaks before they left their lot. But we had another company come out to look at the leaks and right away we were impressed. They didn't even need a ladder.
what?
So of course I thought, if they could do it, so could I.
You should be, girl, if you don't just jump your little 2 foot off the ground.
All right, another epic fail, especially since we still don't have our solution. We're told since we have spray insulation, welding could be a fire hazard. So we have more research to do, and we're definitely open to suggestions. What would you do? Outside of the container, well, things aren't much better. The paint job wasn't up to par, and apparently the orange container got a little too close to the gray container during the delivery from Container World AZ. So we'll just have to revisit that later.
There's a cabinet here for my room.
Close me out.
The project must still go on.
Okay.
So we walked through our floor plan, and now we're ready to see some progress. But we are a little stumped.
So we are to the floors now, and the problem is whatever chemicals and toxins and things that are under there, we want to make sure that those things are not coming up. So we're looking for the right type of chemical. We were told to use an epoxy resin, but after doing more research, that doesn't work because it's not flexible, and we have wood, and that's meant more for concrete or those types of things. So that's where we are, trying to protect ourselves from all of the yucky chemicals and things. So stay tuned.
We think we found a solution to the floors. Of course, not without a little drama.
Houston,
We have a problem.
we have another problem.
Plus,
All right, it's time to cut
And frame.
the window.
Okay, it's my turn. We're gonna see how this goes.
You're not done.
Turning it off for it.
You're not done.
Oh, we got all these pieces. I'm married to this free labor.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
we'll show you some of the mistakes we made so you don't make them.
And basically, if you wake up at night, it'll feel like you got sand inside of it. It's a mess.
So don't look at the light.
Don't look at the
One
light.
mistake can be detrimental for your health, time, and your wallet. New episode Sunday, November 24th.